Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by adding a local script to starter player scripts so the camera logic runs per player. Change the workspace camera's camera type to scriptable and assign camera subject to the character's humanoid. This gives you full control. Then wire render stepped from run service at frame rate timing, for example 1/60, to update position every frame. Once done, the engine won't fight your code, and you can programmatically control movement and smoothing without default camera interference. Next, read user input service to capture mouse and keyboard deltas, so you move the camera in response to player input. Apply smoothing with tween service or vector 3, lerp and C-frame, lerp to avoid jerky motion. This blends current versus target positions. Make sure to clamp pitch and yaw to sensible degrees, for example -80 degrees to 80 degrees, to prevent flips. Once your input mapping and smoothing are in place, movement feels responsive and natural while remaining stable. Finish by restoring camera type to custom only when you hand control back to default scripts, and ensure camera subject is correct at respawn. Test in local and cloud play with various mouse sensitivities and ping to confirm behavior under lag. If you still see jitter, make sure interpolation runs client-side, reduce server-driven camera updates, and avoid setting C-frame directly each frame without smoothing. A single troubleshooting tip: if jitter persists, switch from per-frame set to lerp-based interpolation and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.